we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Move the slider to the left to lower the volume, and move it to the right to increase the volume. If you use Windows 7 or Windows 8.1, click the speakers icon in the bottom right corner of the desktop, and a volume slider is shown. To turn the volume up, move the slider up. To lower the volume, move the slider down.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.